Hey everyone, in this video we're going to talk about content disclosure in TikTok. In order to do so, first off, here we are in TikTok and we're going to select the upload option here on the left hand side. That's going to open up TikTok Studio and we can select a video. We're going to go ahead and click that there, and I've got a video here that's ready to go. What we're looking for is down here at the bottom where it says see more. We're going to go ahead and select that. And here you're going to see that you're going to have this option here that says disclose post content. And it says here, let others know this post promotes a brand, product, or service. So if we toggle that, then you can see here that you can either select your brand or branded content. And if you see the information icon here, then it says you're promoting yourself or your own business, or you're in a paid partnership with the brand. After posting the video, open your TikTok mobile app and link the campaign under the video's ad settings. So you do need to do that on mobile. We're just going to take a quick look here at some information that I found regarding this. And essentially, content disclosure on TikTok is a setting that allows users to indicate when their content is commercial in nature, such as when promoting a brand, product, or service. So that is what you need to know about content disclosure. If you are promoting a brand, product, or service, then you're going to want to toggle that on, and just so that you know, if you don't disclose your content properly, TikTok may remove or restrict your video. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.